Mommy, I'm here. Welcome to my channel. And yes, we're back for another video. And for today's vlog, we're going to review another product. If matagal ka na sa channel ko, matagal man nang narinig sa akin itong This AM concealer. This is my holy grail concealer, but today we're going to try a different product, a different concealer that feeling ko magugustuhan ko rin siya, but not sure pa. So this is my first time going to use this. Get Ready With Me. This is the Radiance Tint. Get Ready With Me is product from Mae Layug, and marami na siyang nirelease na product, and I know medyo late na ako mag-review nito, but it's better late than never. So, the last February 2, no Shopee sale, and this retails for 345 pesos, but I bought it only for 318 pesos. So, may discount ako and there's voucher. Anyway, my shade here is, I make up the porcelain shade. The Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint has a lot of shades. I believe it's 12 shades, and meron pa sila yung mga darkest shades. Very good si Mae Layug doon for coming up a lot of colors, most especially for Filipinas na medyo nandun tayo sa morena side. Going to be our first impression about this product. And there are also some products here na ngayon ko palang ipapakita sa vlog ko. And if ko compare mo sila, if makita mo yung IG story ko, kinompare ko sila side by side, it's like medyo similar or magkalapit yung shade nila ng SAM concealer and dito sa Get Ready With Me with the porcelain shade. So, but titingnan natin yung performance. So, ito yung packaging niya. So, frosted yung glass niya, and it has a doe foot applicator. And yung amoy niya is, meron siyang sweet na amoy na parang candy. Tingnan natin if sakto tong shade sa akin. So, lagay natin dito. Usually, itong Radiance Tint, it can be used as your makeup base na rin. So, meaning, pwede mo na rin itong gamitin as your foundation. So, ganun naman ginagawa ko lately. Hindi na ako nagpa-foundation. I'm also using concealer. So, lagyan lang natin dito sa mga areas na gusto may conceal. So, ayan lang ginawa ko sa face ko. And then, we're going to use a stippling brush. And meron ako isang technique na ginagawa lately is binabasa ako ng makeup setting spray yung brush ko. Konti lang. Para medyo maganda yung pagkakablend niya sa face ko. And then, papatuyuin ko ng konti bago ko siya i-blend. By the way, you can use this you can blend this using your hands or using this brush. But I don't recommend pwede mo rin siguro gamitin siya ng makeup sponge, but mauubos yung product if makeup sponge ang gagamitin mo. So, much better for me is using a brush. Ayan na siya on my face. As you can see, medyo pumuti or na-blur out na yung face ko. But still, kita pa rin yung pimple mark ko dito. So, mag-spot concealing tayo. So, mag-a-add tayo dyan sa part na yan. And we just have to dump yan para magkaroon na medyo pataas na lifting effect yung eyes mo. You have to do it like that. Just gonna blend it with my as I glide this product to my face, I can say this is blendable and double pa to medium to full coverage siya. On my face, as you can see, meron siyang glowing effect. Wala akong nilagay sa face ko or anything bago ako mag-makeup. So, naghilamos lang ako. Ayan, medyo nag-glow siya at hindi siya ganun ka-matte. Unlike dito sa SAM concealer, na I can say it, medyo nagda-dry siya or medyo mahirap siya i-blend, but still manageable. And after application, wala naman ako naramdamang lakit sa kanya. So, we were going to set this with powder. So, yung powder ko dito is with Coty Airspun powder. Anyway, I'll be putting the link all of the products that I mentioned on this video. So sabi nila, so when using concealer, you have to set it powder, most especially if oily ka, kailangan mo mag-set ng powder kasi ayaw mo naman maging mukhang mantika ang fez mo. And this is now my face after setting it with powder. I conceal tayo kanina dito, so it's perfect for me. By the way, this product is a free product. This product is not just a makeup base. It also has skincare benefits like hyaluronic acid, ceramide, and Vitamin E. To open the product, meron pala dito parang date or papel na kasama. Ayan. Lalagay nyo dito kung kailan nyo siya inopen and para malaman mo yung kailan siya may expire. This expires for 12 months. So, 12 months lang siya mag-expire after you open it. And it has 8 ml of product for 345 pesos. So, hindi na siya masyadong masakit sa bulsa. I'm going to use this BLK Brow Sculpting Duo nila in the shade Natural Brown. So, mabilis lang to. I bought it Shopee on sale din. And yung angle, yung tip niya, it's angled. Yan. So, lagay lang natin mabilis. Perfect lang yung color yung natural brown sa if you have dark hair. On the other side. Light lang yung application and very pigmented siya. Yung pencil duo nila, I love it. Gusto ko siya. Next is, I have 3 cheek products here. This is all from Vice Cosmetics. So, nabili ko siya. So, nabili ko lahat to on sale, like 88 pesos. I know this is not new na, but, ayan, nabili ko siya for 88 pesos. And these are the shades. So, like, yung clip dyan sa swatches nila. So, parang gusto ko to ilagay sa cheek ko. Siyang matamis na amoy. Nandab-dab mo lang ganyan. If nakulangan ka pa, maglagay ka pa ulit. Siya on my face. So, very light lang. And on my lips, gagamitin natin the Vice yung Dewy Tint nila on my lips. Para medyo, ayan. From Vice Cosmetics din, naglagay tayo ng highlighter. So, meron tayong highlighter brush. Para mas mata. So, ginagawa ko tong technique na to kapag gusto ko medyo intense yung highlighter mo. Medyo basain mo siya ng makeup base. And then, diba? Ayan, nakita nyo na mas kita siya on the face. So, naparami naman. Okay lang yan. And then, lastly, maglagay tayo ng makeup spray from Untitled Luxe Organics. Ayan. And this is our simple makeup look lang to. Using this Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint nila. And so far, I'm liking it. And as you can see, super natural lang sa face ko. And feeling ko meron ng kapalit yung long time favorite ko na the same concealer. I also like the BLK Sculpting pangkilay nila, which is very wearable. My final verdict about this Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint, it's a very good product. Congratulations, Mae Layug, for having this product. Sobrang na-impress ako sa consistency niya and to the fact that this is a local product. And talagang nag-level up si Mae Layug dito with coming up with 12 shades and incorporating na meron din siyang skincare benefits. So, it's a thumbs up. For me, it's a very good product you can try on. Get this on Shopee. They're available and abang-abang laki ng sale. Means Mommy Imis recommended. And actually, you can use the other shades like for your bronzer. You can use it as a highlighter. Pwede silang i-mix and match. Depende sa needs ng skin mo or depende sa look na gagawin mo. That's our quick review about this Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint. So again, it's me, your Mommy Imi. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook and TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!